Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gotham Tech Tutorials. Here we will learn how to download GitHub and how to use it and how to use push command using Git. So let's start. So go to the Google Chrome. Okay, type here download Git. Go to this link, click here. It is latest version. It will get download. It will take time to download. I will stop here recording. So here we can see that Git is has been downloaded. So I will copy it and put it into my C drive. You can directly install from there also. I will make a new folder. Git setup, and I will open it and paste. So we'll double click on it. Click on yes. Install. It will take time. So after this we get this web page related to Git, and some introduction about Git is here, and you can read it. So let's check Git installed in our laptop or not. See, we can see here three things: Git Bash, Git CMD, Git GUI. It provides three things, like we can do the functions using GUI, means graphical user interface. It provides interface. No, and CMD is like Git Bash, a similar thing. So we will go to the Git Bash. So here we will explore it and run some command like git version. See, it's showing which git version is this we are using. Okay, next git help config. So you can see here we are getting git config manual page. We can see learn, uh, from here what we need, we can take help. This is for help. Git official document is this. So this is like that. So here we will create one new folder, name it as a project. So we need to copy the path of this folder from here, and there is a command cd and paste that path, and it will take to there. So this is, now we need to write a command that git in it, git initialization. So git got initialized means here it is you can see desktop project dot git file is created, but we can't see here, right? We can't see here. So how to see that is it created or not? So go to the view and hidden items. So see, we can see here that .git file is generated in our project folder. So it will be hidden. So now we will check status, git status. This will tell the status of our project folder. So it is telling this is on branch master, no commit yet, and this thing nothing to commit. Okay, so let's copy one text file here, and it is written something notes about git. So let's see. Now type git status. So it is showing that github notes dot text file is added, and which is untracked file. So to make it track in by the git, we need to click another command, that is git add dot. It will add the all untracked files to the git. Uh, so click on it. Now check git status. See, this is uh, now it is green, so it is tracked. It is not writing untracked file. So always remember the basic steps we have to follow. We have to create our own project, or if we have to submit it on GitHub, and then we have to initialize. First we need to initialize that git, and then we can check the git status. It's your wish to know, means explore how to explore that git status and all. So this process will be the for always. Now we will do commit to the git commit. Here we need to write some message about commit, means what we are committing. If we are adding some file, so we need a message. So because it's a version control, so we can click on that commit message in a repository, and we can go, we can find our old code also, or old project also. This is the benefit actually of the git. So we need to write anything you can write. First commit, enter. Now go to your GitHub account, log in and come to this page, create a repository. Here give a name of your repository. Whatever you want to give, you can give. I will make it as Gotham Tech Tutorials. See, we are getting here two options, public and private. So as I told you in my first video, if we want to make it private, we need to pay for it. So we will go for the public. So here we are saying that initialize the repository with a readme file. So we can click it. It will generate a readme file with our project folder. So we can add it later also. So it's our choice. It's optional. Here you can write description also. It's optional. So here GitHub provides us some commands to push the project file into the GitHub. We can see here. Now we need to copy the URL of our repository created in GitHub, and here go to the Git and type git remote add origin and paste the link here. So now you can check git remote my. So it is telling that your account, that repository is added to the git origin, and we can see we are ready to fetch or push projects. So we will do it now. Type git push origin master. Oh, sorry. Sorry, this was wrong. That was incorrect. So now we can see our project has been pushed to our GitHub repository. So refresh it. We can see that text file, that project. Inside the project we had a text file of GitHub nodes. It has got submitted or pushed to our GitHub repository, and we can open it from here and we can see. So like that. Now again we will check what is git status now. So it is showing nothing to commit. So it is done. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do like if you like this video, and please if you are new then subscribe my channel for more information, more technologies, for more tutorials. Thank you so much.